Welcome to another episode of Factful Finance. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's been making waves in the financial world: cryptocurrency and decentralized finance, or DeFi, and how they're shaping the global economy. So, let me ask you this. What if I told you that the traditional banking system, as we know it, is rapidly becoming outdated? You're probably thinking, how is that even possible? Stick around as we explore how crypto and DeFi are disrupting financial systems around the world. Now, to put things into perspective, the market capitalization of cryptocurrencies reached over $2 trillion in 2021, a number that many didn't think was possible just a few years ago. But here we are. What's driving this massive shift? And what does it mean for you? Cryptocurrency, at its core, is a digital asset that operates on a decentralized network, free from government control or traditional banking systems. DeFi, short for decentralized finance, takes this one step further by creating financial services, loans, trading, insurance, without intermediaries. Imagine borrowing money or getting an insurance policy without talking to a bank or insurance agent. Sounds revolutionary, right? But let's break it down. First, we need to understand the role of decentralization. Traditional financial systems rely on centralized entities like banks, which act as middlemen for most transactions. These banks hold your money, process payments, and even set the interest rates you're subject to. But in the DeFi world, those roles are distributed across a network of computers. It's a bit like peer-to-peer networking for money. Instead of trusting a single institution with your assets, you trust the collective power of a decentralized network that operates on blockchain technology. And here's where it gets interesting. DeFi isn't just a theoretical concept. It's already happening. Take Ava, for example, a 28-year-old freelancer who's tired of paying high fees for cross-border payments. With DeFi platforms, she can send money to her suppliers in Asia with minimal fees and get paid in a crypto asset she can easily convert into fiat currency. No banks involved, just a seamless transaction on a decentralized platform. But with all these benefits, are there risks? Of course. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their volatility. Values can swing wildly, and regulatory uncertainty remains a major issue. In fact, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in the US has been scrutinizing cryptocurrencies for potential breaches of securities laws. This means that while the technology is evolving rapidly, governments are still figuring out how to regulate it effectively. Then there's the security issue. Because DeFi platforms aren't governed by a centralized entity, users must take extra steps to protect their assets. Noah, a crypto enthusiast, learned this lesson the hard way when a hacker exploited a vulnerability in one of the DeFi platforms he used. Fortunately, Noah got most of his assets back, but the experience was a stark reminder of the risks involved in navigating decentralized systems. From an economic standpoint, crypto and DeFi have the potential to disrupt the traditional financial system by offering faster, cheaper, and more inclusive alternatives. For instance, Liam, an entrepreneur in a developing country, no longer needs a bank account to access capital. With DeFi, he can raise funds for his startup through decentralized lending platforms, bypassing the need for a traditional financial institution entirely. But we're still in the early stages. While DeFi is already making significant strides, it's important to stay informed about the complexities involved. A great place to start is by keeping track of market trends. According to a 2022 report from the World Economic Forum, over 80% of central banks are exploring or developing their own digital currencies, highlighting how quickly this space is evolving. So, what does this all mean for the global economy? In short, crypto and DeFi are pushing us towards a more decentralized financial future. While it may seem like a distant reality for some, it's already happening right now, and it's changing how we think about money, wealth, and access to financial services. Now, as we wrap up, remember that with any investment, there's risk. Always make sure you do your research before diving into the crypto and DeFi world. And as always, consult with a certified financial professional to get personalized advice tailored to your specific situation. Which part of the DeFi revolution intrigued you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're ready to take your financial knowledge to the next level, Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. You won't want to miss the next financial breakthrough we've got lined up for you. If you found this content helpful, you're going to love what's coming next. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of finance. Click the video on screen to keep learning.